Tonight I'll be doing a deep dive into my Ultimate Creator gaming setup, showcasing some of the best hardware in the market. Whether you're a seasoned streamer, a pro gamer, or looking to build a powerhouse PC, you came to the right spot.
Facecam Pro, Elgato Facecam, the Elgato Capture Card 4K 60 Pro, MSI MEG, 1300 watt, 80 plus Platinum ATX, Intel Core i9 13900K Raptor Lake, Samsung 980 Pro SSD 2 terabyte, G-Skill Trident Z5 RGB 64 gigabytes, Lee fans Logitech G502 Lightspeed Wireless RGB Gaming Mouse, Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed. Motherboard, I have the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX. I have the Gigabyte NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 Gaming Overclock Triple Fan 24 gigabyte graphics card. I have the Arctic Cooling Liquid Freezer Windows 11 Home Edition. I have two Samsung Odysseys 32-inch each widescreen and the 011 Dynamic Evo tempered glass ATX mid tower computer case in black. Elgato Stream Deck XL, Elgato Stream Deck Pedal. I have the Focusrite 4R4 4th gen. I have the Shure SM7DB microphone. I have two 5-inch powered studio monitors. I have the Shure 215 in-ear monitors. For critical listening and immersive gaming, I go with the DT 1990 Pro Beyerdynamic headphones. For those times you're on the move or just want a different experience, I have the Hohem M7 gimbal. It doesn't stop with the gimbal, it just keeps getting better. Right here, I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Nintendo Switch OLED. I have the Tractor Control S4. I have the Kai MPK mini keyboard. I have an external Western Digital 2 terabyte My Passport external storage. I got the Xbox Elite Wireless Control Series 2. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of my setup